Alright guys, so I went to the junkyard today and I got good stuff. Alright, so I'm here, the junkyard. I'm gonna get a couple of stuff from this car. Seems to be in good shape. Interior, this is perfect. Anyway, I don't need none of that. I came all the way here to get the bolts, to get one of these bolts. I looked it up online and they were kind of expensive, so there's a junkyard close to my house. Why not just come here and grab it? Alright, let me check it out. And this car has a really great looking coils over here, to be honest. But this one is a 2000 BMW. Mine is 2004, so the E40 to the 2004. I'm sorry, it has a different coils. But this looks so good. Looks like it's new. It's posh, so it is good. If anyone interested, you should guys go and get it, to be honest, because they look really brand new. They look really good. Alright, so I found this 323 as well. It's in a different line, different row. Oh wow. Oh wow. Pink. I mean, the hood is good. Someone had a problem with the wires. Seems like it. Dang, they took it personal. Like, seriously, look at this. They took it personal. Damn. Oh, what is this? Come on. But I don't know. A bumper looks good. Yeah, fenders. Got fenders are good as well. Fenders are good. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Well, doors. Really good thing. I don't know about the motor, to be honest. Oh well, this one is not good at all, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know, should I take these covers or the one that I already took out from the previous BMW? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep these actually. Oh, this one is kind of a little bit scratched. Let's see if this one has, this one's covers are better. Let's compare them. I think I'm gonna keep this one. This one's kind of chipped right here. So I'm at the first one, the row 211. Let's go to the one row 207. All right, let's sit there. And this is 207 line. Oh, it's 2001 330i. I had the same problem. Look at this. Oh my god, same as mine. But this one looks so messed up. Doors are still good. Fenders are good. Engine on the ground. I mean, what's going on with these guys? Why they keep... What is this? This is like they're biting them. To cut the wires, they start biting them. Dang. Yeah, what's going on, man? Let me take the other side. Here, I need this. Here, so if we compare this with this is kind of more black, glossy black, and this one is, it has like black is faded and scratches over here. So I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna take that one. And please, if you go to a junkyard, just put the stuff back if you're not gonna take it, just so another owner or another guy can come in, take it, and it's back to its original place. Now, hopefully another hopefully another E46 guy can come and find it in its place if he needs it. All right, there's one more car left, man. Let's see what's in the trunk right here, real quick. Chair, exhaust, and the lake without a fish. Now let's go to the 309. All right, let's see what we have over here. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, I hope it's not gonna deploy. Oh, there's the airbag for something. Everything messed up. Lights are good. Oh, it's right here. Probably I need to cut it, huh? Cut it and replace mine. And instead, if you watch the whole project of my E46. I messed up big time on that the quarter right here, the quarter panel on my car. This one looks good. I don't know, door handles and nice interior right here. I love this. I love the interior, seriously. Black interior looks so good. I just hate my interiors on the E46. Oh, everything here in the back actually. The clusters, the center, the steering wheel, the center console. Oh, they put everything in here. All right, I got this tall step trim for the E46, the black one. I love it. Looks good, good shape. So this is all I came for right here. This is what I needed, and I found this. I have one missing on my BMW. Okay, I need this covered as well. Mine is not good. Okay, so got this over here. I want to keep it clean. I don't want to get dirtier. It looks nice. I wish the headlights were cleaner than this. Mine looks better than this. I wish if they were like more clear, but I think this is, mine are bad. I have the taps broken on mine. I don't know. I think probably I'm just gonna leave it for now. I don't want to spend more money on something I don't need right now. This car, it's really clean. Like seriously, it's really clean. Like the motor is really clean. Everything on the motor looks so good. Like I said, it's just really clean. Like these parts looks like brand new. The alternator looks good. No, look, there's no rust, nothing on it. It seems like it's never rained on it before. All this right here, everything looks brand new. Oh, man, I got the side mirror covers, passenger step or whatever panel. Got this cover. Got the door the door cover, and the main thing, we came for this, so I got it because of the vacuum leak. Yeah, I looked them on eBay. I didn't find any, and I found used ones for $15 for one bolt and stuff like that. I was like, no way, heck no, I'm not gonna pay that much for it. And of course I need this cover, so I'm just gonna take it as well. All right, I think I'm gonna take another couple bolts from this one before I head out home, just in case. All right, so this is how much it's gonna be for 2 mirror covers, trim piece, couple bolts, and the top of the roof cover. It's $11.26. Kind of good. Okay, time to go home now. I got that stuff, $11. Worth it. Better than buying it online. Okay, so I got the door step cover. I have the clips over here, but I'm gonna take them out. And I got this door handle cover. All these for $11 from the junkyard, from local junkyard. To be honest, I looked them up online only for these 5 things that I wanted to buy, that I needed. It's almost $100. All right, let me put this door handle cover back on. Let's get this done. Okay, so I already have the clips in place, but I'm gonna take the old ones. I'm gonna take the old one out. Plastic trim piece over here. Should be this way. I got the black one from the junkyard. I didn't find the other ones for the rear or the driver's side. I didn't find them. All right, so I got this from the junkyard. This one is missing the clips. All right, I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Let's go for something else. And here you go. My father made it home. Don't hit my car. Hello. Hey, Haji. Hi. Right, so, as you remember from my last video, the vacuum leak was coming out of this right here, this hole. This is the valve cover right here, and this bolt broke. So what happened is, the bolt snapped in half. All right, so this is the bolt I got from the junkyard. So this right here, see, oh, come on, focus. Yeah, this piece right here broke. This threads broke inside this threads, which is the top bolt, and that's why it's I have a vacuum leak. Just gonna put it in. This is it. See, and this is what was causing my vacuum leak. Yeah. All right, I got it in, brand new rubber. Just gonna look better, but I love these. Right, this look much better, but I like the fiberglass one better. Looks more kind of cool texture, still brand new. But well, I lost the other one, so what the point of having only one on the car? when I can get two for $10 or less actually. Right, let me install the air filter cabinet back. Alright, so I'm gonna start the car, let it warm up, and I'm just gonna listen to the engine if it has any vacuum leak, any hissing sound. Sounds good. Everything is good now, but wait. Look at this, see this? What do you guys think? Is it the diesel valve actually is not working properly? Or is that normal sound? I don't know if, can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it, but it's hissing sound. It's like and it's coming from the diesel valve side. Now it sounds like it's good, to be honest. There's no misfire. I don't see misfire. Seems like the engine is running smooth. All right, let me test drive it and see. All right. It's really no misfire anymore. Just I still have the check engine light. I have to go and scan it, get my scan tool, see what's the problem. Other than that, it seems like I have fixed my issue, my vacuum leak issue. Let's get the scan tool and test and see this check engine. I'll check this out, my cute trash can over here. Just love it. But check this mess. Ha! Tint out real quick, guys. Doesn't look good anymore. Ew, that's so sticky now. I need to get the adhesive removal to get this cleaned. Okay, get the scan tool again. Codes found 5. Enter. Okay, let's see, read codes. Stored codes. O2 sensor signals. I still have that. The O2 sensor misfire detected. Misfire detected. I already addressed the misfire. So let's see if we go and erase codes, all of them. Erase done. Okay, let me test the drive it now. Okay, see everything is normal now, and so I took it to the main road. I was driving for about 5 minutes now. Everything is like perfect, to be honest. Everything is good. Driving smooth. No misfire. The engine light didn't come on yet. I don't know if I need to drive it more. Hopefully fix my issue. Been driving for about 15 minutes now to 20 minutes, and looking at the live data. I don't know how to read them. I'm just looking at them. Here you go, guys. So the oxygen sensor O2 bank 1 sensor 2 is reading the same exact as oxygen 2 bank 2 sensor 2. So this is good reading right here. Last time it was not the same readings, it was different. And bank 1 sensor 2, now it's reading the same exact thing as well. I think the vacuum leak and the bolt fixed the vacuum leak, and that's fixed itself. So I think I'm all good now, but I'm still worried about the fuel system. Still reading OL fault. I don't know what that is. Please, if you know, just let me know in the comments. Teach me what that is. Is it that how it's supposed to read, or is it for something else, or do I have like the fuel filter problem, fuel pump, something like that? Is it related to the fuel? I mean, it says fuel system, so of course. Does it test the fuel injectors, or the fuel filter, or the fuel pump? Let me know, guys, what that is. What test is that? All right, so I think I fixed my issue, and don't worry about the light bulb. I need to change it. Passenger side sometimes works, sometimes not, but everything is good now, guys. Now it's time to wash it, give it a good clean. I need to remove this adhesive and get a adhesive remover and clean the windows and keep it that way. All right.